What is up, guys? This is my new channel, Kermit's Cringy Puppets, Kermit's Puppet Makers, sorry. And yeah, so this is gonna be my first video. Let's get it. So first, to make this first puppet, we're gonna make an alien puppet. So first, you have to have brown paper bag, tape, this sort of yarn. And I'll be right back. And scissors. These are the things that you need. So, first, just give me a second. You have to get the yarn, and if I'm going too fast, you can just always just turn it down to half speed. You put it down on one side. Now over here, it just makes it look 3D. Then you cut it where it goes over the bag.
Is there soil in the amplified sign?
There's 2 bags and 2 bags.
We put them in baggies and they sprouted over the weekend.
They did. They were sprouting.
They're big.
Wait a minute.
So they're big now.
Which seeds did you put in the? Or which seeds did you put in the baggies?
I put frijoles and
I am so sorry. Those are people talking. So you have to cut it.
I have some I can bring.
Do you?
Yeah.
Then you get this part. And then you put it on this side. Now, I already did this, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna do this all again. I'm gonna wait until you're done.
Oh, there were sunflower seeds in here.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe I'll use. There's a bunch of different seeds in there. I'm guessing it's like half yours, half mine.
Ready. Okay, guys. So that was the first clip. And then what you're gonna do, I didn't cover the full things, this is just the steps. So you need to put these things all over it. And if you run out, just use a different color. It looks probably even cooler. Then you get 2 googly eyes. Put that on there. And then get some of this stuff. And then just plop it right there. And now if you don't want to do that, you could just follow along. And that's how you make a little puppet. You just need to glue these things down. Oh, and also once you do this, you need to tape it down. It'll look really cool. That's the first video. How to make a puppet with only a bag that you can find at lunch. So if you like this video, go to lunch and keep this and put it in your mailbox, bring it home, and then watch this video. See ya later.